Squats can help you build strength in your legs and core, enhance mobility, and improve your performance in sports and daily activities. Variations make squats suitable for beginner and advanced exercisers. It's important to learn correct squat technique to avoid injuring yourself. Squatting is a foundational movement you make daily without even thinking about it. For example, when you bend down to pick up something or sit on the toilet, you're doing a squat. There are several reasons to add squats to your workouts. Squats can help you move better in daily life and improve your performance in sports. Plus, they're easy to do anywhere. No fancy equipment or gym membership required. All you need is a few tips to help you do them safely and effectively. Squats are a compound strength training exercise, and they offer a variety of health benefits for people of all ages and fitness levels. Here are 7 advantages of practicing this classic bodyweight exercise regularly. 1. Squats strengthen your lower body muscles. Squats target all the major muscle groups of the lower body, including glutes. The gluteal muscles, butt muscles, include the gluteus maximus, medius, and minimus. Together, these muscles are primarily responsible for keeping the body erect and helping to propel it forward. Hamstrings. The hamstrings are located along the back of the thighs and include 3 muscles. They help you with activities such as standing up, jumping, and sprinting. Quadriceps. Also called quads, this group of 4 muscles along the front of the thighs helps straighten the legs and stabilize the kneecaps. Calves. The calf muscles are found on the back of the lower legs and help flex the foot and ankle. These muscles are essential for running and jumping. Number 2, squats increase your core strength. Your core is your midsection, which includes your abdominals, obliques, and lower and mid-back muscles. These essential muscles help stabilize your spine, and they allow you to perform movements like bending forward, backward, and side to side. They are also essential for torso rotation. Squats might not come to mind first when you think of strengthening your core, but the exercise activates these midsection muscles, especially the erector spinae muscles, which support the spine. In fact, squats may be more effective than planks for increasing core strength, and both exercises strengthen the abdominals and obliques. Number 3, squats improve your posture, balance, and mobility. Strong leg and core muscles are crucial for proper posture and balance. Your posture refers to how you hold your body upright, both while moving and remaining still. Good posture promotes a healthy musculoskeletal system. It can help prevent back pain, improve breathing and digestion, and enhance balance. And having good balance reduces your risk of falls and other injuries, making your everyday activities easier to perform. Mobility refers to the ability of your joints to move through a full range of motion. Practicing squats may improve range of motion in your hip, knee, and ankle joints. Maintaining mobility increases synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints and helps reduce your risk of injury in daily activities and sports. Number 4, squats can boost your athletic performance. Lower body strength, balance, and mobility all play a role in your sports performance. One study found that back squats are one of the most effective exercises to boost athletic performance. Back squats, which involves a barbell resting behind the neck, are the most commonly performed variation of weighted squats. The move trains several muscle groups to work together, and it strengthens muscles that are essential for explosive movements like running and jumping. Number 5, squats keep your bones and joints strong. When you do strength training exercises like squats, your muscles adapt to the resistance from your body weight. As part of that process, they may grow bigger and stronger. Your bones respond in a similar manner. When your bones are regularly exposed to force from resistance exercises, they may adapt by increasing bone density. A 2017 study suggests that weight training in adolescents prevents age-related bone disorders like osteoporosis. But doing squats and other weight-bearing exercises throughout adulthood can still preserve bone mass and keep your bones and joints strong. Number 6, squats burn more calories. One of the many benefits of strength training is that it supports healthy weight loss and maintenance. That's because the more muscle mass you have, the more calories your body burns while at rest. Strength training burns fewer calories than aerobics. But you can increase the calories you burn during your strength training workouts by doing compound exercises like squats. Compound exercises target more than one muscle group at a time. The more muscles you activate at once, the more calories you'll burn. And with squats, you activate your core and lower body muscles. You can combine squats with other compound exercises, such as lunges, deadlifts, rows, and pull-ups, to get the maximum burn for your buck. Number 7. Squats can boost your confidence, and you can do them almost anywhere. Squats are a simple, equipment-free way to build strength and improve sports performance, and you can reap all the benefits from the comfort of your home. Plus, you can increase the challenge with multiple squat modifications. You'll build strength, muscle, balance, and mobility, and gain confidence along the way. To discover the surprising effects of squatting 100 times every day, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay tuned. Don't miss out on the insights that could transform your daily routine. Let's dive into the world of 100 squats a day. Your journey begins with a simple click.